Hello everyone, welcome. This is a beautiful curation by two brands who are doing their first exhibition of the season. अभी उनका first season नहीं है. They've been doing it for a very long time, but this is their first exhibition of the season. It is Mansi Gajjar. As you can see, she's beautifully dressed in her collection, from ombre to some Banarasi to some beautiful vintage fusion collection, something in pastel, something in double layered, something in pocket friendly chanya choli. She has everything. And to go with chanya choli, we have someone who's here with beautiful jewelry that can be used in multiple ways, from destination jewelry to cocktails, fusion, oxidized, customization, you name it, and she will do it for you. This is EBN Jewelry. This is Mansi Gajjar, all happening at Travelers Home. It's a one-day exhibition. For more collection, you know what you have to do. Swipe left.
The concept that I'm working on here, as I've mentioned, is this was originally made as Juda. It still is looks like Juda.
Absolutely.
What we can do eventually, when you're done with your wedding trousseau and you're not wearing it, then we can convert this into a nice pendant.
Okay.
It will go on your neck like that. And it will look very pretty. You don't need to wear specially something like this. You can just wear it on your outfits.
Look at that.
And this, if you've worn it as a neck piece, you can then convert that back into a Juda again.
Okay. Look, something very beautiful, unique, and very, very gorgeous. Look at that kada. Just beautifully crafted. And this is not just it. We have more pieces here. So look at that. You can wear these with your white shirts, give it a boho look. You can wear these for Navratri. You can gift it to your sisters. You can wear it over a sari. These are all beautiful kadas. Just look at that. Beautiful. Let me show you a few more. Look at that. They also have something like this. Beautiful. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
You're fine. So please show us your collection.
So this is our range of like vintage Banarasi silk chanya cholis.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you one of the piece. So these are exclusive, one of a kind piece, and if you buy this, no one else would have this piece.
Okay.
So you can see we have done the paneling of kalis. One is solid color and one has like beautiful silk Banarasi. You can see the blouse which has brocades. This is real lumpy. Patches we have done. The detailing on the sleeves.
Look at that.
These are the Badla dupattas.
Okay. And in that we have
Different
various
colors.
pieces,
Yeah.
colors.
We are also taking custom orders on this. You can tell us color of your choice and we can like customize a beautiful outfit for you, like this also, like different color kalis with beautiful Badla dupatta, brocade
Lovely.
blouse. Yeah, so let's talk about what I am wearing. So we have like 3 colors in this style.
Okay.
I'll show you. This is a very nice rose pink
Look
with
at
a real
that.
lampa blouse and lampa on the edge of the chanya. We have
Okay.
like a shaded dupatta with
Okay.
badla all over the chanya and
Wow.
dupatta. Again, a very multi-purpose outfit.
Lovely.
So this is one color.
Lovely. Look at that.
This is also very good and a very different combination.
Yes.
Very nice yellow and a blue. Very
Beautiful.
fresh color.
Yes.
Our budgeted lehengas.
Okay.
So we can. So one of the lehenga is for 15 meters flare.
Okay.
And another one is for 27 meters flare. We can
Okay.
also customize the flare, and the budget can go accordingly.
All
So it
right.
is lovely Nandi and Krishna Bhagwan printed dupatta with a very nice border, and it's a 3-tier skirt.
Okay.
And we also have something very modern. You could see like a striped dupatta.
Yes.
Similar lehengas but different dupattas.
Okay. Look
Which you
at
can
that.
mix and match also.
All right, with pretty tassels as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful detailing.
And
Lovely.
different kind of blouses.
Lovely.
You
Look
can
at
also
that.
customize blouses according to your preference.
Okay.
So yeah, we these are also like double layer chanyas.
Okay, double layered chanyas.
Yeah, which makes you look taller also, and like a very monochrome.
Okay.
And we have like option.
Okay.
Like you can also pair it up if you want to go all glam.
Lovely.
You can pair it up with like our tissue blouses, which we have in gold and silver both.
Okay.
We have a lot of pretty colors in these lehengas.
Okay.
All of them are customizable as you want, any choice of color you want. We also have a similar multicolored option over here, very pretty.
Beautiful. You can pair any blouse with
You
it.
can pair any blouse, a white one as well. It goes with every blouse.
Look at that. Beautiful. Hello.
Hi Rachel, how are you?
Fine.
So I'm here to talk about EBN Jewelry's destination wedding jewelry.
Okay.
So we have these really cool pieces that can be worn for your sangeet, your pujas, but you can also like mix and match them to wear for cocktails,
Okay.
and you know some like a mix of Western and Indian looks. So like some statement pieces that are perfect for your destination weddings, easy to carry, all on silver, so holds value for a longer time, and you get your returns on them, and as you can see they are stunning. We also do them with moissanite and you know better quality gems, so they're just going to stay longer and look great always.
Yes, ma'am. Please show us some more collection.
So this is our Banarasi Kinkhab set. So you can see it has 12 meters of layer.
Okay.
These we have like in 6 colors.
Okay.
And you can see like beautiful detailing on the blouse. We have like very nice sexy bag
Wow.
and a lovely contrast dupatta. So this is also like multi-purpose. You can use for like a very festive mehendi,
Yeah.
wedding, or
Absolutely.
Navratri.
Look at that. Beautifully crafted.
Yeah, these are the colors.
Look at that. With badla work, some mukesh
All over.
work. Beautiful. Look at that. Various colors, all vibrant colors. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Tell us.
So again, Anna is showcasing for us right now. She's wearing something very dainty, pretty, the way she is, and you know, for her styling, it's something that is small yet statement.
Okay.
Whenever we wear jewelry, we don't understand the fittings all the time. It's very important to do the right kind of fitting. You know, since she's got her collarbones, I want to make sure that part here is very softly made. For someone like me who doesn't have to worry about collarbones anymore, I always wear something that is more chunkier and doesn't stand out,
Right.
but it still looks pretty.
Right.
So that's what I think we should all worry about, our fittings in jewelry, and I'm here to help.
Absolutely, and as you said, you customize pieces as well, so that will be one great, help. Look at all these pieces that ma'am has. Something very pretty, very beautiful. Look at that. So this is brand EBN Jewelry. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Rachel. How are you today?
I'm fine, and I'm loving your collection. So would you please show it to us?
Absolutely. Thank you for coming out here and shooting us. I would love to showcase some of our traditional oxidized jewelry as well.
Okay.
I'm more known for my colorful, more vibrant, gold, polished jewelry.
Right.
Doesn't mean that I don't understand oxidized. I do. This is a very old piece
Okay.
that we have obviously procured. It's a 110-year-old piece.
Wow. Okay.
Along with that, we have made something oxidized for you as well. Very modern.
Yeah.
And most famous of ours are the Bajaria Kadas.
Okay.
People love them.
Okay.
This is also very, very pretty. I'm gonna try this on this fantastic, lovely, petite Miss Anada.
Look at that. Very pretty.
Very layered. Something classy. Very
So this is brand Ecstatic Faces Foundation, and they are here with a beautiful concept. They entirely do this handcrafted thing, and
and they support the children for their education. These are made by women entirely, so everything here that you see is handcrafted. Beautiful pieces. These are money envelopes. Look at that. Cute keychain options. Beautiful.